This video shows you how to get set up for doing web development in the CIS 305 class. First, bring up a web browser. If you haven't installed Chrome yet, highly recommend you install Chrome. Go to webdev.training for the class website, and then go ahead and go to the Before Getting Started site. In this case, I've already installed Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and install EasyPHP Server. I'm holding down the Control key while clicking so that I can open up all of these in different tabs. And in this case, I'm going to take the version 11 over here on the right because I don't have to worry about Windows XP compatibility. Go ahead and click this. Then looks like I need to click one more time and just download only. And that's started. I'm going to go over here to Sublime. Going to do the Windows 64-bit, get that started. Go over here to CSE HTML Validator. You can download the trial version or go ahead and download the paid version if you've paid for it. Highly recommend going ahead and getting a paid version of this. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and do the trial version, and then we want to download source tree. Looks like EasyPHP right here has already been downloaded, so I'm going to click on this, hit run, go ahead and install. Now that's installing. After that, I'll install Sublime. And I don't need to bother launching it right now. Let's install Sublime. I do want to add the Explore context menu. That's really nice to have. HTML validator. Don't need to launch it right now. And source tree. And I'm not going to bother launching that right now. Okay, I've got all of this started. Next thing I'm going to do is go over here and create a new folder, and I'm going to call this web server. I'm going to pull all my web files from this folder. You might want to keep your project file somewhere else. If you do, go ahead and create the folder in that location. And just keep my desktop clean, I'm going to remove this shortcut here. There we go. So I've got web server set up here, and now the next thing I'm going to do is start up EasyPHP. Okay, if I go ahead and start EasyPHP version 14.1 here, it's going to give me an error that MSVCR 110 is missing. I happen to be missing the redistributable for Microsoft Visual C++. This doesn't include that. So I'm going to need to actually download it. If you bring up your web browser and you search on Microsoft Visual C++, redistributable, then you'll get the Microsoft link for it. Don't download it from somewhere else, or else you'll probably get a cracked version that will end up turning your computer into some kind of zombie. And in this case, I want to go ahead and install the 32-bit version, as EasyPHP is not a 64-bit version. Go ahead and hit next on that. It'll download, and then I will install it. Great, I got that download installed. Let's see if it fixed the problem. Starting up EasyPHP. Great. Apache and MySQL have indeed started.